Hello everyone, my name is Arianna and I'm studying midwifery at UniSC. I know some of you might be interested in studying midwifery, so I was just going to tell you about myself and what I've been up to in the past 2 years. I decided that I wanted to become a midwife in year 10 for no other reason other than that I wanted to support women. Midwifery and maternity care for me just seemed like the most logical decision, and midwifery or midwife literally translates to being with woman. Hello everyone, today is an exciting day today. I'm off to go to one of my midwifery labs at the USC campus, and today we're going to be practicing vaginal birth scenarios, including breech birth. So I'm really excited to put my learning into practice. Now, the Bachelor's of Midwifery is not for the faint-hearted. It's very intense physically, emotionally, socially, mentally, but it is so rewarding at the same time. There is definitely a level of grace and willpower that is required to balance work-life commitments. The degree consists of a few aspects: uni tutorials, lab workshops, Connect commitments, and placement. Being part of the Connect program is one of the highlights of the degree, and it involves providing continuity of care to 10 women, attending their antenatal appointments, being on call and there for the birth, and then attending their postnatal appointments. It is by far the most rewarding part of the Bachelor's. Because I am born and raised in the Northern Territory, my career goals by the end of my degree is to return back to the NT, have a grad position with NT Health, and provide care to women in the Northern Territory, possibly in the future doing rural placements, and to provide culturally safe care to Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander women of the Northern Territory.